Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Yeah, this is now on very, very thin ice, and I do not have a very clear three-wave structure down here in the wave 2 anymore. This dip lower today wasn't great for the chart. So it's on very thin ice. Yeah, it surely can turn around here. It's pulled very deep into support, but I don't see any strong buying here in this area. However, below the 45.2 cent level, this 1-2 setup, which could set us up for higher in this fifth wave of this overall impulse here, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this can set us up higher, but it needs to hold the 45.2 cent level. It's set on very thin ice. I can only repeat it because below the 78.6 retracement, you would typically expect such a setup to fail. If it pulls back deeper, what could it be? It could then really only be either something very bearish or a 1-2 setup. Yeah, so that we had here a possible 1-2, and this is another 1-2 setup, which could then still move higher from a lower base, however. Yeah, so at the moment, it's really on thin ice. So below 45.26 cents, I will change the count. Yeah, so this is a make or break point at the moment. What would be the other count? So I'm going to take some of the subwaves out. We don't need them. They can be confusing sometimes. Yeah, what would be the other count? If this fails, then the entire count will unfortunately become less reliable, but we have a chance to find support lower then. And then we would look at this as another 1-2 setup, which will have a support lower, and I will give you the area for that. Let me see. So yeah, then we're talking about the area between 42.4 and 29.1 cent. This is sort of then, however, the lowest support it should go to. Otherwise, it will really become very unreliable and something I wouldn't really want to touch anymore, because if it drops below 29 cents, yeah, I mean, then this is getting challenging then, yeah. Then it's basically dropping too low. Just thinking, is there another option? Not really. I think, or a bearish one, yeah. But yeah, so either 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it needs to really rally from here, which in my opinion is getting less likely now with this dip today. Doesn't look like anybody's buying it at this point. Or it's becoming a 1-2, 1-2 setup, and then we will find support between 42.4 and 78.6 fib. And then the subwave count would be that the move down was an A wave, this was a B wave, and we're coming down in a C wave. Talking about what would be an ideal target for a C wave in terms of, you know, relationship to the A wave. It's a key way of measuring or calculating target. We talk here about the 1-to-1 ratio. It's probably the most likely one. The 35.9 cent level has good confluence with the 61.8 retracement somewhere here. So yeah, we'll see. Let's see if it finds support and turns around there. And until then, we need to wait if it breaks the current support or not. I think there's a good chance it does. Yeah, I just want to warn you before it happens. Because at the moment, we still see weakness. Also, Bitcoin can't really get above resistance, so we will see. But these are the two levels or areas. I think very shortly I will start to prefer the direct drop. Yeah, it depends on really if this level is holding. If we now rally above 50 cents, then this remains the count, but below that we're dropping into the larger support area here and then have a chance to drop all the way down to 29.1 cents. But below that level, I would lose all trust in this count, because then the move up was just an ABC structure and we're probably creating an impulse to the downside. Yeah, that's my update about Fantom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.